Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm Vanila, and in today's video I would like to show you how I dry my underwear. In this occasion I've received underwear free of charge, obviously, but it's for advertisement, so I hope you like what you see. I've washed these in the earlier videos, so this is 1, 2. I'm going to wear them, by the way, in the next couple of videos. 2 in purple, in blue. Look at these stunning colors. I'm already excited. This is 3rd and this is 4th. On Amazon you can find this brand of underwear where they also sell bras, not just knickers. You can find there with different colors, new colors, different sizes, different styles. The customer service is fantastic. So these are the underwears. They are washed, they are transparent, which is important. You know that I like transparent things. And as you can see, you can choose this underwear for any mood. So you can click the link below of my video, and you can see where you can find this underwear, or even in different colors, the same style and different colors. And I think it's fantastic and will be fantastic for anyone in different sizes. Obviously these are here. Let's now try to dry my underwear. It's a bit quirky how this one works. This one works a bit weird. Like so. And then, oops, it broke. So this is the dryer. You can see my lovely cat here. Looking through the window and seeing a lot of things. And let's hang these. This is in white. Okay. We can hang them like so, or like so, or maybe with pegs. Next time, honey, I will please try and bring you some pegs. This is the purple. This is the blue. They are a bit slippery because obviously it's lace. It's very light underwear. It's a fashionable underwear, and it requires a lot of love to look after this kind of underwear. Obviously you need to be careful when you wash them. Preferably wash them by hand, and they would last you like forever. So this is my beautiful cat. Leave it, I don't need those. Mom, leave it. My mom is so weird sometimes. She just wants to give me some pegs. I said to her not to, and she just wants to give me some pegs. I've already hanged these, I don't need any pegs. So have a look. Even my cat is surprised about how my mom thinks sometimes. I hope you've enjoyed this video. You've enjoyed my lovely, lovely, lovely cat that we're going to watch over this underwear. She will make sure it's all safe and beautiful and clean. So thank you very much for watching. I'm Anna Vanila, and see you in my next videos where I actually wear this underwear for you. So please click the link below and order yours. Thank you. Bye.